Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me share something exciting with you today. Have you ever thought about making money with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP? I know it can sound like an overwhelming task. Publishing books, figuring out keywords, writing content, and hoping people will actually find your book on the platform. That's exactly how I felt when I first looked into it. But what if I told you there's a tool that simplifies the entire process, making it not only manageable, but insanely efficient? That's when I came across Azon KDP. It's not just another ebook creator. It's a complete publishing powerhouse powered by AI, designed to handle all the tricky parts of building a Kindle publishing business. Imagine having an assistant that helps you research profitable keywords, create high-quality books, publish across multiple platforms, and even optimize your content to rank higher, all in a matter of seconds. Sounds too good to be true, right? That's what I thought too. But once I started digging into Azon KDP, I realized this tool is the real deal. Here's the thing. Amazon paid out a staggering $370 million to KDP publishers in 2023 alone. That's a lot of money being made by people like you and me who've tapped into the demand for digital content. With over 6 million active users browsing the Kindle store every day, the potential is massive. Whether you're a seasoned writer or someone who's never written a word before, Azon KDP levels the playing field. One of the first things I noticed about Azon KDP is how user-friendly it is. You don't need to be a tech expert or have any prior experience with publishing to get started. The tool is intuitive and does most of the work for you. For example, you can type in a niche or an idea, and Azon KDP will instantly pull up profitable keywords and categories with low competition. This is a game changer because finding the right niche is often the hardest part of publishing on Amazon. AzonKDP also offers built-in competitor analysis, showing you exactly what other successful authors are doing. It's like having insider information on how to outperform them. And let's not forget about the actual book creation process. With Azon KDP, you can create high-quality Kindle books without writing a single word. The AI generates professional, polished content for you in just 60 seconds. But it doesn't stop there. Once your book is ready, Azon KDP handles formatting and publishing across multiple platforms, including Amazon, Google Books, Apple Books, and more. It even offers tools to help you rank higher on Amazon by optimizing your keywords and content for search engine optimization. This means your books are more likely to appear in front of readers who are ready to buy. Another feature I love is the multi-language publishing capability. With over 100 languages supported, you can reach a truly global audience. Think about the potential of having your book available in English, Spanish, French, or even Japanese. Azon KDP makes it easy to scale your publishing efforts and maximize your earnings. What really sets AzonKDP apart is its speed and efficiency. Everything from keyword research to publishing takes just a few clicks. You could literally go from having an idea to having a published book in less than an hour. This opens up so many possibilities. You can create your own books to build a passive income stream or even offer book creation services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Imagine charging hundreds of dollars per project while Azon KDP does all the heavy lifting for you. Another huge plus is the pricing. Unlike other tools that charge monthly subscriptions, Azon KDP offers a one-time payment option. This means no recurring fees, and you get full access to everything the platform offers. It's backed by cutting-edge AI from tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon, making it 16 times more powerful than other ebook tools on the market. If you're someone who's been putting off publishing because it seemed too complicated or time-consuming, Azon KDP is here to change that. It's fast, efficient, and incredibly easy to use. Whether you're writing fiction, non-fiction, or even children's books, this tool has you covered. So, that's my take on Azon KDP. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own publishing empire, this could be the tool that finally makes it happen. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you're ready to give Azon KDP a try, or if you have any questions. See you in the next video.